Majestic is an authorized service provider in the GCC region, specializing in advanced microwave non-destructive testing (NDT). In collaboration with Evisive, we deliver cutting-edge inspection solutions for dielectric materials across industries. Microwave NDT uses patented state-of-the-art microwave imaging technology to evaluate dielectric components without causing damage, provides enhanced localization of defects and internal structures within non-metallic materials. Our microwave NDT system scans pipes with live imaging to detect hidden issues, predict future condition, and save time and cost. Microwaves interact with dielectric interfaces, producing reflection patterns that can be converted into high-resolution inspection imagery, microwave technology to detect defects, site pipe. Applications: industrial, thermoplastic components, ceramics, infrastructure, non-metallic structural elements, aerospace, composite aircraft parts, honeycomb panels, energy, GRP, GRE, HDPE, FRP pipes, marine, hull structures, rubber fenders. Capabilities: what we detect: delaminations, disbonds, voids, foreign material inclusions, thickness variations, moisture liquid contaminations, mechanical damages.